Hi, yes. Next topic, inclusive education. See it. Paper 1, notes and question answers. Again repeated. Inclusive education. See it. Paper 1, notes and question answers. Ovid Declory. The school will be located wherever is nature, wherever is life, wherever is the work. Declory founded to the school for children with mild disabilities. Inclusive education definition. Inclusive education can be defined as the process of increasing the participation of the students in the culture, curricula, and communities of local mainstream schools. Concept. It includes all students who are away from the education for any reasons like physically or mentally challenged, academically, socially, deprived or belonging to any caste, carried genders, etc. What is the inclusive education? Inclusive education is physically and practice whereby children of all abilities and include and integrated in the same class. Reflect the fundamental objectives outlined in the Individual with Disabilities Education Improvements Act. Builds on children's strength, addresses their limitations, and promotes the success. Objectives. Be able to define inclusion and related terms. What is inclusion? What is a mainstream? Gain the understanding for the federal law with regarding to inclusion and its history. Identify the characteristics that have been identified as important to and supportive of inclusion. Identify the strategies that can be used to support the student within an inclusive class. Need and importance of inclusive education. To fulfill the constitutional responsibilities for achieving universalization of education, for the development of healthy citizenships, for social equality, self-reliance, for the use of modern technology, to enable the children to stay with their families, developing feelings of self-respect. Principles of inclusive education. No discrimination with the student. Equal education opportunity to all. School adapt the needs of student. Equal education benefits for all students. The students' views are listened to and taken seriously. Individual differences between the students are a source richness and diversities and not a problem. Aims and objectives of inclusive education. Education for all, protection of rights, identification of skills, development of social consciousness, to prepare for new challenges, development of brotherhood, to improve quality of education. Types of barriers of inclusive education, internal or external. Barriers in inclusive education, negative approaches, break the silence, lack of physical facilities, change the story, lack of trained teachers, measure IT, manage IT, report IT, policy makers, tap into the power of sponsorships, poor organizations of build diversities thought next up leadership education system. Inclusives and adaptives. Curriculum. Benchmark and calibrate. Role of teacher. Interaction with the family, usage of variety of institutional strategies, addresses of problems of the learner, provision of special facilities meetings the personal needs, recognition of hidden talent, inculcate positive attitudes, adaptation of authentic assessment. Dyslexia skills. Phonological and phonemic awareness, sound symbols of recognitions, web lateral sound fluency, alphabetical knowledge, decoding skills and encoding skills. Learning disabilities. Disabilities is specific learning disabilities that affects the person's ability to understand numbers and learn math facts. Dysgraphia, dyslexia, oral, written, language disorders and specific reading complications, difficulties, non-verbal learning disabilities, ADHD, dyspraxia, executive functions. Last topic, motor skills disabilities, wrist, hands, fingers, feet and toes. Notes is over. Now question answers. Another notes is there. Difference between integrated and inclusive education. Integrated education is admissions of children with disabilities in the regular school without modifying the existing system. Admissions of children with disabilities in the regular school with the necessary provisions. That's why inclusion is both terms. Second point, students are accepted to suit the existing education system. The education system will make the suitable modification to suit the needs of children. Third point, for additional support, the children placed in the resource room. All required support to be made available in the students in the regular classroom. Last point, the inadequacies of the students are highlighted. Students are never made to feel inadequate curricular and co-curriculum. Next question answers. The first question, which characteristics of a teacher is least important in the inclusive education? Answer D. Socio-economic status of teacher. Second question, successful including requires the following excepts. Answer segregation. C. Third question, how teacher and students gender in the classroom in the learning environment? Answer C. Adapted perspectives. Fourth question, which one of the following principles facilities in the inclusive education? Answer B. Children with IQ 80 and above the learner and benefits for the normal education. Fifth question, education of the all in the schools for all could be taglines for which of the following? Answer B. Inclusive education. Sixth question, inclusive education assumes that we should change to fit the. Answer B. System and child. Seventh question, the measure of frustrations that children with hearing loss face in the classroom is. Answer C. The inability to communicate or share the information with others. Eighth question, the term of disability children refers to. Answer 3. Both 1 and 2. All children will be sensory, physical and implements. All children will emotional difficulties in intellectual implements. Ninth question, which one of the following in the under the preview of the terms disabilities and the person with the disabilities Act 1996? Answer C. Mental retardations. 10th question, which of the following approaches suggested interaction of this child with the people around him and with the social institutions to deal with the disruptive behavior disorder. Answer D. Ecological. 11th one. Which of the following is the most appropriate methods to monitor the programs of the children with disabilities? Answer D. Structured behavior observation. 12th question. Renuncius is known as his definition of giftedness. Answer C. 3 circles. The following are the example of development disorder excepts. Answer D. Post traumatic stress. 14th one. Structuring problems in the students can be dealt by apply with of the following methods. Answer B. Prolonged speech. Last question in the video. Learning disabilities in the motor skills is called. Answer C. Dyspraxia. Thank you.